how to dry filament in your Bambu P2S 3D printer. And this is if you've got no AMS. Also, I'll show you how to do it if you have AMS also. So, first things first, what a lot of people think you need to do is go to the little cogs here. This takes you to the chamber settings. Come down to heat bed here. Select that. Heat the heat bed up to 50 Celsius, for instance. Press confirm in the top right hand corner. Place your filament in the chamber and keep turning it every couple of hours. And you want to put this in the cardboard box it comes in. Now that's what everyone tells you if you're looking on the older models. But what you can do is if you have an AMS and you're lucky enough to have an AMS, come to this AMS setting here on the left hand side. Select this little tool section here next to guide. Then select AMS drying. Then you'll be able to select the type of filament you're using, the temperature, and how many hours you want to dry it for, and then press start. That's how easy it is with an AMS system. However, you do not need to do it with the heat bed system as I showed at the start. What you need to do is head over to the left hand side here. What you don't want to do is go to the right hand side here and select heat bed and heat it up. Now that's the wrong way of doing it. Come to the home screen, press the cog here, then select toolbox. Now at the very top you should see dry filament. Now here it'll run you through how to dry the filament within the Bambu Lab P2S. Just follow the on-screen instructions, choose your type of filament and things like that. It all runs you through it in step 1, step 2 and step 3. Then select prepare and the LCD screen will take you through the process. So hopefully that shows you how to dry the filament in the Bambu P2S, whether you have an AMS or not. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe and thanks for watching.